Max Ventura, wing detective, on the case. What do we have here? One Honda 2018 Plus Goldwing, 6-speed tour model. And what do we have here? Is that a locking glove box latch? Really?
Okay, Ventura, you get the hell out of the shop. We're calling the cops.
Oh, it wouldn't be the first time someone has called the authorities on me. I'll leave peacefully. But first, let me ask you. This is the Traction Dynamics demonstrator bike, isn't it?
It is.
And Max McAllister is the registered owner of this same motorcycle?
As far as I know.
Okay. And Traction Dynamics works on lots of Goldwings, is that correct?
We have.
Have you ever seen a locking glove box latch on a Honda Goldwing?
No, I haven't.
You're certain you've never seen a locking glove box latch on a Honda Goldwing?
I'm certain.
Okay then. So what does it all mean? Oh, well, I'll tell you what it means. Oh, 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 oh. This bike belongs to Traction Dynamics. Max McAllister invents great things for Honda Goldwings. This particular bike has a locking glove box latch. The parts for that latch came from inside this building. Therefore, that must mean that Max invented it, that the machinists at Traction Dynamics are making it, and that Max is about to release it for sale to the general public. Yes! Yes! Oh, yeah! Yeah! Do you feel that, buddy? Solved another case. That's right. The demons in this Goldwing are exorcised.